A
Little bit.
You heard?
Crunchy. Sturdy.
Got him.
Sturdy. Ooh. We sturdy. Crunchy. Right there.
So let's get into it. So what you want to do is soak your chicken in bleach. No, I'm just playing. Soak it in lemon juice, salt, lime juice, whatever you want to do. And what you're going to do after you finish letting it soak is you are going to pull the skin back on the chicken legs like this.
Hey, yo, pause. Big pause.
You see what I'm doing? I'm pulling the skin back, separating the skin from the actual meat so that, one, you can clean that slime between the skin and the meat. Also, two, we want to get all the seasoning all around this chicken. Don't pull it off, just pull it down.
Pause. Big pause.
Like this. See, I'm gonna show you again. Alright, so once you got that all done, you wanna drain out this water solution. Fill it back up with water. Rinse it again. See, I'm gonna do it again for you. Pull the skin back, pull it down, don't pull it off. I'll tell you why in a minute. Just like that. So you're going to continue this process. Once you have drained off the chicken, start seasoning your chicken. Some rotisserie season, some garlic, some Italian seasoning, some basil, some olive oil, and some cornstarch, maybe about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, depending on how much meat you're actually making. Go ahead, sprinkle that on there. And you're gonna add some chili powder after you add the cornstarch. So what you're gonna do right here is you're gonna mix it up, and this is what it should look like. See that? See? It's all mixed up. So the reason why we didn't take off the skin is because we are going to use it to cover the chicken back up once we season it, and use it sort of like a tenderizing blanket while they're cooking in the air fryer. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these in a bowl so that we can let them marinate for a minimum of 4 hours, 2 to 4 hours, preferably overnight, but a minimum 2 to 4 hours. Yeah, and we're gonna throw it in the refrigerator. This is what it looked like when you should take it out. See that? Yeah. Let me give you a close-up. Yeah. Look at that chicken. That's what we wanted right there. Let's go ahead and mix it around. And what we're doing now is we are taking the ones from the bottom and putting them on the top so that the oil and the seasoning can drain down through the rest of them. Let's go ahead and put them in the air fryer. And being that they already have olive oil on them, you don't really have to worry about spraying it with olive oil or cooking oil. So we gonna go ahead and put them in there. You're gonna put about 5 in there. You don't want to overcrowd it depending on your air fryer. It's looking good. We looking good. Go ahead and space them out a little bit, as much as you can. Let's go ahead and turn the joint to 400. 400 for 20 minutes. And this is about 8 minutes and 8.5 minutes in. Checking them, they looking good. And this is the full 20 minutes right here. So this is how they came out, right? But I'm gonna put them on another 10 minutes just cause I like it crispy, crunchy. So look, there you go. Bow. Look at those chicken legs, air fried chicken legs. Look at that. That's what you want right there. Look at that. And it's also the healthier option for frying. Let's go ahead and put these in a bowl. So sometimes with the air fryer, I noticed that when you just open the air fryer and try to take the food out, sometimes it'll be stubborn and stick to the bottom, but it's not a bad stick. If you let them cool, maybe for about 2-3 minutes with the top open, they actually become easier to lift out if they're stuck. But the real reason why we left the chicken skins, as you can see, is because they also provide grease and oil, because the skins won't burn. And if anything sticks to the air fryer pan, it'll be the skin, not the chicken meat itself. So I put in the second batch right here, and this is what it looked like. You hear that?
Look at that.
Do you hear that? This batch, I left it in there for 25 minutes, as you can see. And look. They crunchy. Crunchy. Look at that. You hear that sizzling? You hear that pop? You hear that sizzle pop? Sizzle crack pop? Let's go ahead and put these on another plate. And there you got it. Air fried chicken. Air fried chicken legs. Fried to perfection. It's not dropped in a whole bunch of grease. And they taste great. And they taste wonderful. Golden. Golden. See that? That's what you want. So yo, if you you like this video, you gained from it, you like the recipe, you tried it out, or even if you just like how it looked, like the video, subscribe, share it. Definitely make this meal or this dish for your family. And I'm gone. See you on the next one. Kwrunchy.